guys, this year I'm adopting a policy where I'm not going to baby sick or dying plants. I'm just going to replace them if I have a replacement. I have a tomato in the bed where I planted tomatoes, and it's dying and it looks sickly. So I'm just going to replace it here with this is just a rogue tomato that sprung up on its own. So I'm going to dig this one up and put it in the spot where the sick tomato is. All right, here it is. I don't know what type of tomato it is, but I'm gonna put it in this pot and move it to replace the one that's not doing well. All right, let's go. This one right here, can you see it? It's all sickly and yellow looking. I'm not gonna bother. This was a pink pear. Well, pink pear is going. I'm gonna take it up and I'm gonna put this mystery pepper. I'm gonna put some of this, a couple of these in the hole. Give it a good mix. And the soil's already nice. Ooh. So I put some of this in the hole, mixed it up. It's already nice and moist in here. And I'm just gonna replace it with the mystery. I'm planting it nice and deep. There we go. It has been replaced. So that's the policy that I'm trying to adopt this year. Here's the sickly pink pear. Like, it had some fruit on it, but she looks a mess. This is the new tomato that I replaced the pink pear with. Like I said, I don't know the name of this tomato, but this is her new home, and hopefully, you know, she does well. So yeah, that's what I'm trying to do this year. Have backups, or not be so attached to each and every plant. To be able to recognize that it's you know, not doing well and it's at the end of its life, and just go ahead and remove it. Like, it has a little bit of yellowing on the leaves, but I'm gonna fertilize it and give her a shot. All right, that's what we're doing, or that's what we did today here in the garden. Give me a like and give me some comments and let me know what you're doing, if you're holding on or replacing plants. All right, guys, bye.